Hello friends, how are you today? I am going to show you how to make a new logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First we have to create a rectangle. Okay, now round the corner of this rectangle. Now before the duplicating, uh, apply the transparent color from here. Now duplicate it. After the duplicating, change the color and hold down shift key and reduce the size from the side. And again round the corner, and we have to resize this object. I think this is okay. Not full circle. mm, okay, now select this one and change the width of this object. Again round the corner. Now select these two and align the center. Enable the alignment option from here. Align to the center. Now we have to create a circle. Create the circle with same size from the previous object. Now snap all these objects like this. Now select these two and click on difference. Now click on break apart. Delete this one. Now we have to create another rectangle. Select these two and go to path and click on difference. Now select this one and duplicate it. After the duplicating, flip it like this. Now snap these two objects. Now select these two only and go to path and click on union. Now duplicate it. After the duplicating, we have to modify from the right side and the top. Do not modify that node that is which is selected snapped with circle. Don't modify the nodes that is snapped with circle. So I am modifying the nodes from the side only. mm, I think this is okay. We have to create more object like this, but I am going to use extension. Change the color. I am going to select only these two and go to extension and apply the value. Okay, now this is okay. Now we have to ungroup it. After the ungrouping, we have to change the center point of every object. First we have to find the center point of the circle. Enable the snapping option from here. You can see the snapping options that I have checked. Now snap this guideline to the center point of the circle. Now select all these objects one by one and change the center point of these object. Select this one and change the center point. And after the changing the center point, you can rotate it like this. Now select the another one and change the center point of this one also. And rotate it like this. Now select this one and change the center point and rotate it like this. Repeat the same command. Now select this one and you can rotate like this. So change the center point. Okay. Now you can modify these object. Snap it like this. Now duplicate this circle and select with this. Go to path and click on difference. Now select this one and hold on shift key and reduce the size from the corner. So we have created our basic shapes. Now you can apply the color according to your choice and need. You can also apply the gradient option. But I am this time choosing the simple color. Select all these and change the color. You can play with your color. So guys, we have created our logo, but you can modify it according to your choice, or you can fill the difference color between two objects. So I'm going to show you how you can make it. So I duplicated this one and go to path, go to path, and you can click on fracture. Mm, so there is so many object, you have to select it carefully and you can choose your color one by one like this. I am just showing you how you can uh, use other color. So guys, thank you for your support and thank you for your cooperation, and thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.